Hello everyone and welcome back to Anya's channel. Today's video is going to be one of my beauty video. I'm going to be reviewing my new lash lift kit. I DIY'd it at home yesterday actually. It is called, I can't pronounce, GAQQI GAQQI. I believe it's called GAQQI. I can't pronounce it, I am sorry. And it's actually a kit that has a tint inside as well. I'm going to be showing you what is inside. First of all, I did open it yesterday and I actually tried it on myself. As you can see, by the way, as you can see now, I don't have any mascara on. This is actually my real lashes that I have after I use the product. I will show you in close. Sun is very strong. I am very pleased about the product, and okay, let me try to put mascara on to show you. First of all, I'm going to be using very normal mascara that people use, and you can actually buy it anywhere on Superdrug or drugstore. I just want to know, if I put mascara on, is my lash going to be longer and thicker and fuller? Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let's have a look. I love it. I love it. So my lash look very natural with mascara on. You probably know that I usually put my fake lashes on, lash extension all the time. Wow, I love it. I love it. Absolutely in love, and I'm going to be telling my friends purchase the product and I actually can do it for them. How amazing that would be. Anyways, I opened it and used it yesterday. This is the box and this is what is inside. I am super pleased about what is inside. I ordered the product from Amazon, and if you just type its name, GAQQI Lash Lift and Thin Kit, is that one there. The whole box is £29.99. However, if you use this code, you can get 10% off. And I will also put the code on the comment down below and on the description as well. If you think about the price and what you get in the box is worth it. With this box, I can actually use it for lash lift, use it for lash tint, and use it for eyebrow tint. Before you use, I would recommend you to read over here. Excuse my nails, by the way, I'm in quarantine and I can't go out and do my nails, so if you look in here you can see what is inside the box. Can you imagine this much for £29.99? So first thing first, before you actually get into this kit, you need to read the precaution. Okay, the reason why I have to read so far is because I have long eyesight, but that's not the point, okay? Precaution. Make sure your eyes are closed at all time. Avoid lash lift and thin lotion direct to your eyes. When you watch my video, you're going to see that I kept my eyes open at all time. The reason being is that I feel very comfortable doing it that way. I am actually qualified to do lash extension from a beauty academy. My teacher always say, do not do it yourself, because it can cause so much damage to your eyes. When you have allergic reaction or stinkiness to your eyes, it's not going to be a happy story. When you do lash extension, when the glue get to your eyes, I'm talking about the fume of the glue get into your eyes, it stings. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to reaction, it is recommended you perform a patch test or allergy test before. I didn't do it myself because I know myself, and I've done lash extension, I've done lash lift, I've done lash tint. I don't have any allergic reaction. I don't have allergic reaction to anything at all, apart from one occasion. That's another story for another day. If you have someone to do it for you, like your friends, your boyfriend, your mom, your parents, ask them to do it for you. Keep the lashes dry for 24 hours after applying. If you want to know how I actually wash my face after I apply such product, lash tint or lash lift or lash extension, I will make another separate video explaining how I actually take care of lashes, how I wash my face and maintain the lash as long as I could. So let's have a look at the manual. This is how it looked like. You have many pages inside actually. It tells you everything that you need to know. It tells you a big one saying warning. See? Make sure. Read this. Next one is actually how to apply step-by-step guide. They tell you the small number in circle here, so you know exactly which product to apply and when. And when you come to the back, you can see that there are two ways to do things. The first one is the lash lift and the second one is the lash tint. For me, I only do lash lift yesterday. I might make another video doing both. I'll think about it. Anyways, please read this manual. It's actually very helpful. Okay, so it comes like this. When you do it for someone, you would need to have iPad, and I love that they put iPad inside. Another thing is, in this box, it's such a small box, but it has so many things inside. First of all, it has mascara wand, and inside the mascara wand, it has a small comb as well. Next one, I am impressed. You don't really see a lot of lash lift kit actually include micro brush inside. It has micro brush and it has application brush. Inside also it has this crescent spoon. I don't know what it is for yet. I think it's going to be for the black dye cream. Okay, let's have a look. And of course it has this wine brush. Next one is the silicone. There are many sizes. There is S, M, L. I will show you how it looks like. When I was using it, I used two different ones. This is LL, this is L. You will see on the video, I actually do one side with LL and I do this side with L, and you will see the different, like so much different.
A collision of decisions whirling in my heart.
As soon as I opened the box, I was so amazed how much stuff I have inside. I was so excited.
Sweetness of your lips, we're not ready, we're unsteady, I'm stuck inside your web.
Before I apply the product, I would need to wipe all the excess oil and all the dirt from the bottle number 4 and use with a little cotton pad. After I wipe my eyes, both eyes, I then start curling my lashes. After I measure the silicone that I want, I just follow step-by-step guide from the manual. First, you only need to apply the glue on the pad, let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then stick it on your eyelid. As I mentioned before, I use two sides of silicone. One is LL and another one is L. I find that LL is quite big for my lashes. Another thing about the silicone is that they have a small grit that would help you hold your lashes stick to the silicone pad better. I really love that function and it's very easy to use. The way how I do it is very simple. I just follow the instruction. I start by using number 1 solution, wait for 10 minutes, then I wipe it away. I wrap my eyes here, but you don't have to. It's totally up to you and it's very optional. After I wipe the first solution away, I then start apply the second solution. This one I waited for about 10 minutes as well before I wipe it away. And after I wipe away, of course, I will use number 4 solution to clean my lashes, and then I will use micro brush to dip with the third solution, number 3, then wipe all of my lashes and of course under the pad as well. You can use mascara wand to brush through your lashes at the end, and this is the finished result. You can see that the curl is very natural. Now I'm going to be doing another side with L silicone. Let's have a look.
I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright.
I repeated exactly the same process as another side. The only difference is the silicone size, so it's very important to actually pick the silicone size that you like the most. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video can help you with the process. I absolutely love the product. It is very easy to apply, the instruction is very easy to follow, and more importantly, it works. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video. But before you go, please like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye. It's such a small box, but it has so many things. Ouch.